So here's the box, it's a proper unboxing, let's do this. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, to my little corner of the internet where we talk about luxury designer handbags. So for today I have a very exciting unboxing. Well, I've been waiting for this I think about 2 weeks now, 2.5 weeks maybe. And if you've watched my last video about Vestiaire Collective, my storytime video, I've been telling you that I've got quite a lot of good experiences with them when it comes to selling my bags and other items, other luxury items. But I only basically had one really bad buyer experience. Nevertheless, I gave them a second chance now, and yeah, let's see what's in this box. So I wanted this bag for a while. This is an exotic bag. And they are, I think they cost around 3,500 pounds nowadays. So here's the box, it's a proper unboxing, let's do this. And you know, the model that I always wanted, they've actually discontinued that a couple years ago, I think. Because, yeah, I mean, I have to show you what's in the box first before we, I don't want to spoil anything. Okay, so yeah, let's have a look. This is my second try with Vestiaire Collective, and I really hope that this is a good experience. So the thing with Vestiaire Collective is that if you purchase an item that's, you know, described as in very good condition, it can basically mean, on the one hand, the bag has never been worn and it's almost new, and it could also mean the bag is basically only in fair condition. So you never really know what you get with Vestiaire Collective. Their rating system is a little bit, yeah. So somebody on my last video has actually described it really well, and they said it's basically always a hit or miss kind of thing. So okay, here we go. So this is the box. Nice, they stuffed it. Ooh, it's pretty lightweight, so I was really surprised when I got the box and I was like, is that right? But I mean, I hope it's about right. So here we go. Can you see this? It comes with the original dust bag. Ooh. Oh my god, okay. Please, please be in good condition. Let's do this. Ooh, it feels so lightweight. Oh my god, and it's so flat, I really need to stuff it. I mean, I've got some paper here, I might just use that to stuff the bag to give you a better... Hello. Oh. Oh my god, okay, looks good. Okay, to reveal my new Bulgari Serpenti Forever in the old square style and the old square size, and this is in the green karung skin. I have to look at it for a second. Oh my god, and it's absolutely clean inside. I mean, you never know what you get, right? It could be... Oh my god, okay, so, okay, let's do this. I'm gonna stuff it in a second to show you how it looks like. But, so, what do we have here? This is the Vestiaire Collective, the quality control and authenticity thing, I think, yes. It's in bon état, yeah, that means it's in good condition, it's conform, and it's authentic. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, so you can probably see, and that was stated as well, that the bag comes with a scratch right here. Let me see. There, you can see it, yeah. But for me, it looked like it's pretty easy to probably buff this scratch out. So I'm actually pretty good when it comes to like buffing scratches out of leather. So karung leather is a water snake leather, basically. So let me see if I can give you a close-up shot. There we can see the texture. So it's a beautiful water snake bag, and it's pretty robust generally. So I'm pretty sure that just like going over it with like maybe a leather cleaner, it's first of all hydrating the bag, and secondly I've had really good experiences with like buffing scratches out of lambskin, out of like for example my my mini Lady Dior bag that I scratched on screen. If you go back to my Lady Dior size comparison video, could buff that scratch out without any problems, and it was absolutely fine. And Even the scratches I have on my boy bag, like it's pretty easy to buff them out if they're not too deep. And this one absolutely looks like it's not deep at all. So, oh, I'm so happy. I'm definitely going to be able to buff that out. Okay guys, let me just pause the video right here. I just wanted to quickly show you my bag after cleaning it and stuffing it. It looks really amazing. And what I always do is I basically always use like a regular Clean and Care leather cleaner, nothing special, and I go over the area where the scratch was, and I was just basically trying to buff it out as good as I could. And look at it. I mean, let's get a little bit closer. It needs to focus. There we are. Nothing is visible anymore. I mean, this is what I was hoping for, but you never really know, of course, until you try it. And yeah, I'm absolutely happy of how it turned out, and the scratch is not visible anymore. So it's of course a pre-loved bag. It's pretty flat, so I'm gonna have to stuff it. The snake head is still in absolutely perfect condition. There are no scratches. The green malachite eyes are absolutely perfect. And yeah, the chain as well. There's no plating wear. Oh my god, I'm absolutely amazed. Okay, after my last bad experience with buying the Alma bag for my birthday, this is absolutely a fantastic experience. Oh god, I can't wait to wear those like as soon as this lockdown is over. So, let me see, how do I do this? There, we can see the strap. I just love the Bulgari straps. I mean, they are meant to resemble a snake's body, and I think they do, and it just looks like jewellery, and I absolutely love it. So basically, when you buy a new bag from Bulgari in the karung skin leather, it is so stiff. It's absolutely stiff, like, it's unbelievable. You can't really put a lot in those bags, and that's the thing as well nowadays. The bags from Bulgari, they all come with a divider in the middle, and that restricts what you can actually put into the bag. And with this one, as you can see, so you just open it up and it's just one big pocket. You have like a little zipper compartment right here, and other than that it's just one big pocket. No divider, nothing. So what I really don't like with my other Bulgari bag, my medium-sized Bulgari bag, is this divider, because you can't fit a brush in there, you can't fit a normal sized wallet in there. You have to only really take like really thin items like your phone, a card holder, lipstick, keys, all of those essential things go in, but nothing else. Like here I can put like a full-size wallet in, I can put my brush in here, I could put an umbrella in here, like one of those small umbrellas, and it's gonna be absolutely awesome. I can't believe it. I always wanted a Bulgari bag in the karung leather, and like I said, they're absolutely ridiculous now in terms of prices. Bulgari had a price increase at the beginning of the year as well. They are around £3,000 now. I mean, it is an exotic bag. Exotic bags will always be more expensive than regular leather bags, but oh, basically I've decided to go for this one because I wanted to have the size that has been discontinued. And I also wanted to have the beautiful emerald green leather. So there is a little wrinkle underneath the snake head closure, but as you can see, you can bend it and it's not visible anymore. Okay, so here is the bag stuffed. I just put the wrapping paper in that it actually came with, and as you can see, the little wrinkle underneath the snake head closure has basically disappeared. So it's really just the case that this leather is so soft, and it's stunning. Like, you have to probably wear a karung bag for a year or 2 years straight to get to that level of softness, if that makes sense. So I wish you could feel it. It feels so luxurious. It's really unbelievable. Like my two metallic leather bags that I have from Bulgari, I've done a review on them as well, so you can definitely go and find that video. They are still so unbelievably stiff. It's really hard to put anything in there, so I'm so happy to finally have a Bulgari bag where I can just put everything in I need and just take it out. And oh, I can't wait for this. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's stuffed now. and it looks immediately so much better. Oh, it's unbelievable. Yeah, I'm blown away. So the first thing I will do after this video is definitely clean the bag. That's what I always do, but this one looks like there's no corner wear, nothing. I mean, have a look. Whoops, there we go. There's no corner wear. So the person who owned this before me, they took really good care of it. So one thing you also always have to pay attention to if you want to buy an exotic bag, especially in this karung snake, water snake leather, especially what I've seen with newer bags, they tend to crack, and that's something that just happens at the corners. But whoops, can we see that? There we go. Where you open and close the bag, they tend to crack sometimes, and there's no cracking here. So I am absolutely amazed. Okay, so here is my new bag baby. And yeah, you can wear it crossbody, and oh my god, it hits you at such a nice height. It's absolutely stunning. I love it so much. Oh, I could just see that, to just wear it as like a casual everyday bag in summer, and oh, I love it. So it's so easily accessible, and it's so easy to close it and open it back up. It's absolutely stunning. And then of course you can also just wear it on one of your shoulders, and I've said it before in my other Bulgari videos that the strap looks like it's such a delicate strap, but it holds a lot. You can pack the bag up and nothing happens to the shoulder strap, so you don't have to worry that it breaks or anything like that. It looks pretty delicate, but it's, yeah, it's definitely strong. So you could definitely just wear it as like a clutch bag as well, if you wanted to. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, I haven't been that stunned by a bag in a long time. Oh, yeah. Okay guys, so this is my beautiful new to me Bulgari Serpenti Forever in the old square size, and oh yeah, I finally have a Bulgari bag that I actually can wear out a lot as an everyday bag. The other ones I have, they are just like evening bags and nice going out bags. And this one I can just wear whenever I want, however I want. And yeah, I'm just gonna buff the scratch out and I will let you know how it goes. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. That's how I always like to say it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!